So hello everyone, and today I'm back with another video. So today's topic is quite interesting one. You know what, these huge companies, when they start working on something, they directly not name the product as we see on the stores. Actually, each of the products has a code name which they work along with years together before it comes to the stores and before we could purchase it. In this video, I'm going to discuss different code names of the top products of the mega giants like Google, Microsoft and Apple. So let's get started. So let's start with Microsoft. So what is the latest stuff that Microsoft does always is like developing Windows, right? So the Windows 10 had a code name like Redstone. Now why Redstone? Because the Windows games, that is Minecraft, actually has a mineral named Redstone, and that is supposed to be the most probable reason for naming it as Redstone. Now this name has actually been already named 5 times by Microsoft. Like Microsoft is used to repeating its code names, and yeah, this is the last time they have named a product as Redstone. Now this Redstone code name is not going to be repeated again and again, said by Microsoft. And the next stuff is Microsoft is secretly working on a Surface PC, or like the recently which was launched, but it is a foldable sort of stuff. It's actually a secret project and it is named as Andromeda. I don't know what is it actually. This is how the entire stuff looks like. Microsoft is working on the hardware part as well as software. It is supposed to be launched next year, that is 2019. Probably this is the stuff. Its code name is Andromeda. And then the virtual assistant of Microsoft, that is Cortana. The fact is, its project code name was Cortana itself, and then the developers registered to not to change that stuff, and hence it remains as Cortana itself. And then let's speak about Apple. Okay, it has a way more interesting code names, like they don't go into names and stuff, but yes, these code names are really bit difficult to crack out of the Apple stuff, because Apple always tries to keep its stuff secure and private, and they don't make it public. So like if we speak about iPhone XR, it was named as N84. I don't know the actual reason. Then speaking about iPhone XS Max, iPhone XS Max was named as D33. And then speaking about iPhone X, that is D22, and also they call it Ferrari. Now why Ferrari? Because this was the first phone from the Apple's store that actually costed much. Like speaking frankly, the headlines were like, buying an iPhone X is equivalent to buying a Ferrari. It was so expensive. Like at least while coming to India, that phone became so damn expensive that it was named as Ferrari in its code name. Then let's speak about iPhone's iOS system. iOS 12 was actually named as Peace. Now why Peace? Let me tell you. Like till iOS 11, there were a lot of bugs in the operating system. Like there was so many stuff that was not properly fixed. I don't know why this happened, but the iOS 11 was like quite unstable, and then they launched iOS 12 and they made it quite stable. And yes, this brought actual peace to all the Apple users because it was tried to make more stable. And then comes iOS 13. It was named as Yukon. I don't know why, but then it is said that this iOS version is going to be a revolutionary one. It is going to change a lot of stuff, and also it is going to affect most of the iPad users. As it said, at iOS 13 is going to bring a revolution sort of stuff. And yes, its code name was Yukon. Let's come to Google. Like Google is already working with a lot of projects. So finding a code name for all of them is literally not possible, but I'm like a few of them I've brought to you. Then speaking about Pixel 3, like the recent launch, it was named Blue Line. Google is very famous for this weird stuff of code names which they give to their projects. But then, okay, fine. Then comes Pixel3XL. That was code named as Crosshatch. You know how do people crack these code names? Usually these code names are present in the XML file on the working team and stuff. So like there are some people who just get into the database and rip off the XML file and then check out for the code names, and then they guess it that this might be the probable code name of this and that product, and that is how the code names are leaked. And then comes about Gmail. You know what? Before Gmail was launched, it was called Caribou. Okay, what does this mean? This means a reindeer in a language. So this is how Gmail was before called or codenamed as Caribou before it officially was launched to all of us. I hope you found this video interesting. These were the top code names like of the latest products of these mega giants. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Moreover, if you want me to discuss something, like if you want me to speak on some topic or stuff, you can comment it down. I'll surely make sure that I make a video on that. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you come to know when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.